Hi, I'm Emily from MakingMathMakeSense.org, and I'm here to show you your game for today for the virtual math series. We're going to play Roll to 100 or Race to 100, and it's just that. We're going to roll some dice with our hundreds chart, and we're going to try to get all the way to 100. Let's play. You're simply going to roll your dice and continue adding on until we get to 100. You can use a 6-sided dice, a 12-sided dice, a 10-sided dice. Let's say you don't have any dice at home. You can use playing cards. You're going to roll your dice and mark off the numbers as you go. So we are at 3 right now. We're going to roll again, and we're going to add 4 more. Your child might be working at a different grade level than another child in the classroom that you're teaching or a child that you have at home. Let them do their learning. So let's say you have a primary kiddo who does not know 3 plus 4. Let them add on. So we're starting at 3 and we're adding 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, getting us to 7. Roll the die, add on. We're adding on 3. 7 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. We are at 10. The older your child, the chances are they're going to be better with their math facts. So maybe they don't need to add on by ones. They can go 10 plus 4 is 14. You're going to continue rolling until you get to 100. 15 plus 4 is 19. Let's say you have an intermediate kid. That's a grades 3 through 5. They need to be working on their multiplication facts as well at these ages. Let's say that your child struggles with their 4s. Every time they roll, they have to multiply that number by 4 and then add on. So we have 4 times 4 is 16. We're going to add 16 on. Now, do I want a 3rd through 5th grader going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 16? That's not going to be the best strategy for them. Let's add 10 and then add 6 more. Hopefully by 3rd grade, they know that when you add 10, you go down 1 row on a 100 chart. So there's 10 plus 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, rolling your die, multiplying by our number we need to work on. Right now, let's say it's 4. 3 times 4 is 12. We're going to add 12. So we're going to add 10 and 2 more. That breaking apart, that expanding of the 12 to 10 and 2 is a strategy. We need kiddos to understand and be able to apply. Adding 12, that's a very unfriendly number for some kiddos, and it's scary. We don't want math to be scary. We want to lower anxiety and raise achievement. Let them add 10 and then add 2 more. 4 times 4 is 16, so we're going to add 10 and 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This game continues on until you get to 100. Some variations to this game. Maybe you have 200 starts going and you have 2 children racing to 100. Let's say you have older kiddos and you want to have this race to 1,000. They're going to take their number, they're going to multiply it by 10 or by 100, trying to get themselves to 1,000. Let's say you're working on decimals. You're going to race to 10, and each of these is worth that many tenths. So this would be 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 4 tenths again. You can change this game for what your kid at home or your kids in your classroom need to be working on. Please let us know in the comments below if you played this game, what you liked about it, and how you adapted it for your specific students either in your home or in your class. I hope you enjoy.